Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a like so it can reach more people. Today we're gonna be touching bases on Zomedica. That's ticker symbol ZOM. We done touched bases on this stock a few times on the channel, but we just doing an update and letting y'all know what it's headed. I know it's probably a lot of investors out there that's heavily invested in Zomedica, and it been consolidating for the past week. It's been trading consolidation is just when it's trading in a certain price range. It's not really going up much or down much, but it's staying in between these price ranges. So I know a lot of people just, wondering where it's headed in the short term and the long term. So let's go ahead and get right into it, y'all. Let's touch bases on Zomedica. So at the time of this recording, we trading at about 215. We opened at $2.20. The high was 225. The low was 207. The 52-week high was 291. The 52-week low was 6 cents. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and check out the charts. So on the chart, I got for y'all this critical level. Today, as soon as we opened up this morning, we had a strong dip to 207. That 207 is a critical point. That's your support. You got a strong support. We got a strong support on Zomedica at 207, 206 range. If we look back a week ago on a 1 week chart, March the 11th at 2:20 p.m., we hit 206 and we bounced off of it, and we spiked up the next morning off that 206, reaching like 220, 224 range. So also we hit that 206 range again twice more after we hit it on March 1st at 220. We hit it twice more going into the closing and into power hour, and we held up strongly. And then fast forward to March the 3rd, we hit it again this morning on a dip that 206, and we held up strongly. So that's why we got that yellow line going through, showing us this is strong support right here at 206. So meaning if we break through 206, let me show y'all next level. This where we'll be headed to. If we look back on February 26th at 340, we had hit we got a resistance at $1.89, $1.89. If we fall below that key level at 206, we will be falling to $1.89 to 1.90 cents to $1.90 a share. My advice is not financial advice, but what I would be doing is getting out of my position, selling out my shares, and getting in for a cheaper price in the 190 range, 190 in the high 180s, and accumulating more shares if it drop even lower to the 160s or the 170s, because it's going to have a nice dip before the rip. We most definitely long-term bullish on Zomedica, but I'm just trying to let y'all know the short term. I like to keep y'all protected. My people, I like to keep y'all protected. Protect those gains. If you're already up on Zomedica, I consider taking profits and buying back in the $1 range, because it surely can most definitely fall. And if it don't fall, and if you're not in it, it's plenty more plays. It's plenty of opportunity. So don't get caught chasing. Don't chase it and have FOMO, fear of missing out. Just just stay safe. So I want to show y'all that. So if we break 206, we falling down to 189, most definitely. And then if we don't fall down to that key level, that 189, 190, our upward key points will be, our bullish key points will be, we got a resistance at 225. If we look back on the 1 week chart, March 2nd, we hit $2.25. We got a resistance. Once we break through that 225, we can easily hit, if we look back on the 1 month chart, let me show y'all that as well. February 19th, we hit 228, that same resistance, 225, 228 area. Once we break through that 225, 228 area, we go straight to the 230s, and then retest our high from February 8th to $2.70. We'll retest that high, and once we break through that, the sky's the limit for Zomedica. We can easily run past 3, and once we get to 5, if we get to $5 a share, that's when we could easily double the 10, because the big boys will start loading in. The big dogs, Wall Street, all that'll be on their radars heavy. So if we could get through that, yeah, Zomedica got a real bright future. So let's check out this, y'all. You already know we like to see what the analysts put their targets on these companies at. So let's see what their target on Zomedica is. The one analyst offering 12-month price forecast for Zomedica, a median target of 120 and a high estimate of 120 and a low estimate of 120. The median estimate represents a negative 43% decrease from the last price of 213. So they think this company is overvalued from the price that it's at now. That's what they say. But I told y'all these Wall Street, the big billionaires, all these people, they like to hate on these companies in public, but they be buying them up in private. So let's go see what their pocket's doing. Let's see what the institution's doing. So institutional ownership, 5.07%. Increased positions, 20.2 million shares. Decreased positions, 4.8 million shares. Held positions, 22.9 million shares. Total institutional shares, 48 million shares. Out of 48 million shares, they decreased their position. They downsized, they got rid of 4.8 million shares out of 48 million. So they holding a whole lot of shares in this company. They loaded the boat. New positions, 9 million shares of new positions. Sold out positions, 1.3 million shares. So we obviously see their pockets doing different from what their mouth say. But I told y'all, don't let none of this be the conclusion on what you make your decision on with these stocks. Just let it be your homework. Let they forecast, let they predictions, let they whatever they pockets doing, let all that be your homework. Let my prediction, let all what I say be your homework, and you put it all together. And you the executive at the end of the day. I'm the executive, you the executive. We put out everything that we gather, we put it all together and come and make our decision. You feel me? But I also, I'm here to help y'all. I give y'all points on where y'all can get in these plays at, where y'all can get out at to stay safe, and where y'all can get out to take profits. So you already know. And another thing, that's all I got for y'all this video. But I want to, if y'all made it to the end of this video, I just want to remind the ones that I told y'all SOS, the first video I made today, I told y'all SOS was looking real good today. I told y'all it was going to explode, like it was going to go crazy today because Bitcoin at 52K. So it's destined to, it's on track. It's a sympathy play for Bitcoin. So I put y'all on SOS. I hope y'all got in on that. We up about $1,100 right now. I put it up on the screen, and you already know. This your boy B Hayes. That's all I got for y'all. If y'all like these type of updates, predictions, all that good stuff, these hot stocks, you found the right place. Consider joining the family. We out, y'all. God bless.